Hello guys, welcome to Cooking with Chef Daddy. My name is Naima Altador. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't ever miss an upload from me. So today in Cooking with Chef Daddy, we will be making our delicious moist banana bread. It's high in protein, kid-friendly, low on sugar. We snuck in vegetables in for the kids, and it's quick and easy. Hope you enjoy, and leave a comment below letting us know if you tried our Chef Daddy recipe. First, you want to preheat your oven to 325 degrees. Now go ahead and grease your 9x5 loaf pan. Here he is using a paper towel to evenly spread the grease. Once done, set the pan aside. Now grab your medium bowl. Here we have 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a half teaspoon of salt. Next, we're gonna go ahead and add 1.5 cup of whole wheat flour. Add a 1/4 cup of vanilla protein powder. Now go ahead and whisk it around and make sure it's all combined and even. Once you are done whisking, set it aside. Now we are gonna work on our wet ingredients. In a large bowl, crack 2 eggs.
I'm with the world. All that I ask is for you to please.
Give them a good whisk.
To put in the time.
Now that we are done whisking our eggs, pour in a 1/2 cup of coconut oil, a 1/4 cup of milk. You can use any milk of your choice. And then we're gonna throw in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And now you wanna go ahead and mix that in.
Just what to do.
Toss in 1 cup of very ripe bananas. The uglier, the sweeter. Now go ahead and stir it all in. Now you want to go ahead and add your flour mixture into the wet mixture. Then pour in your Greek yogurt. Now for my favorite part. Add in your slightly melted white chocolate chips, which makes it really yummy. So mix it all up. And when you are done, your batter will look like this. Now add in a 1/4 cup of raisins. This part is optional, but it's so yummy. Now we are going to sneak in 1 tablespoon of veggies for the kids. We are using amazing grass, or you can use any veggie powder of your choice. Now go ahead and stir it all in. Now that we are done, add the batter into your greased pan.
I finally stopped running now. With you, I found my peace somehow. Let go of every thought that was holding me back. Yeah. I'm in love with you in every way. That joy you give me every day.
You can give it a little jiggle to even it out a little bit, but it looks like Chef Daddy did a very good job pouring the batter into the pan. Now you want to go ahead and pop it in. Make sure your oven is preheated at 325 degrees. We don't want to burn anything, so we are setting our timer to 35 to 40 minutes.
You set me free.
Now that our delicious moist banana bread is done, you want to take a toothpick and double check it. And once the toothpick is showing that it is clean, remove it from the oven, set it aside, and let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes.
I know I can be safe with you. You want me now, I know you do. I know you're being patient and I love you for that.
Our delicious moist banana bread. The outside is nice and golden. The inside is fluffy and moist. It is a perfect banana bread we have perfected.
Don't know if I'm dreaming, I'm slipping away. I hear your sweet voice, then I see your face. I never knew you could love someone like me. You climbed my tower and you set me free. I never know felt like this before. I never know felt the love like this. I never know felt like this before.
Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more of Cooking with Chef Daddy. Hope you enjoy, and leave a comment below letting us know if you've tried our Chef Daddy recipe. This is really good. Another bite. I love it. Nice and crispy on the outside. Very moist on the inside. You can taste all the flavors, the cinnamon. This is really good. You are going to love it, and your kids are going to love it. They are not going to know there's vegetables in this.